Champagne, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be making Rotel. So I got my 2 cans of Rotel. Then I got my Velveeta cheese. And I also have some ground beef that I took out the freezer last night. So I'm going to ground up my ground beef. If you watched a couple of videos, I already showed you guys how I season my ground beef, but I will be showing you guys all the seasonings that I use when I season my ground beef, just to refresh you guys' memory or whatnot. And I will be making it my Rotel in a pot because I'm being lazy today. I really don't feel like pulling out my crock pots. But before I show you guys, let me pop this ground beef in here. But today's video is going to be day 1 of 15 days of Chanie, because like I said, I will be doing 15 videos for the month of August. So I'm starting early with me recording videos. So this is day 1. So what I use to season my ground beef, like I'm gonna break it up. I like to use a little hummus. Mix that up. Yeah, I gotta get another tripod. Plus, I want to get a camera at the beginning of the year. So yeah, then I'm gonna use some rice. I want to get this on for my birthday. My birthday is August 15th. I will be doing what I got for my birthday video. And then I want to put a little onion powder. I have garlic powder, but I don't want to. Well, that's fine. So I'm going to let this cook, and I'll be right back, guys. So while my ground beef is still cooking, I'm going to open my Rotel. And like I said, I'm going to be making it in a pot. So it depends on how many people. But what I like about it, it tells you how many. Yeah, I can't wait to get my hair braided for my birthday. I'm trying to decide, I don't have somebody do it. We're gonna do it. So and then I'm gonna cut this up, and I'm gonna be right back. Okay guys, so I'm gonna cut up my cheese. Like this. I know some people put the whole thing in there, but I don't. Well, I put the whole brick, but I like to cut them in squares. so it can melt quicker. Ground beef is almost done. So this is just like a quick little meal when you don't know what you want to eat. You don't want a big meal or whatnot. And this is really good for like if the kids are having like a game day at your house where they're just playing games, sleepover, baby shower. Yep. So I'm gonna start dropping this in there. So start melting the cheese. I'll be right back, guys. Guys, this is how the rotel turns out. I have Doritos in mine, so you can use the scoops. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.